Welcome back to this series. In our previous videos, we've explored different types of chain, sequential chain, conditional chains, and even parallel chains. Each of these help us design multi-step workflows and process information in a structured way. Now let's focus on something simpler, the LLM chain. So what exactly is an LLM chain? At its core, an LLM chain is just a single step chain. It connects a language model to a prompt template, letting us easily generate outputs from our LLM in a structured and reusable way. Think of it as a building block, a straightforward chain where we give a prompt, the model processes it, and then gives an output. There's no branching, no parallel processing. It is just a simple, clean workflow for a single task. The beauty of LLM chain is in fact in simplicity and reusability. So for example, you might want the model to suggest a catchy blog title, summarize an article, and generate ideas for social media tasks. So you create a prompt template for the task, connect it to the model via the LLM chain, and then you can get or you can reuse that chain for any input without rewriting your logic. So in this video, here's what we'll do. We'll define a prompt template asking the model to suggest a catchy blog title for a given topic. We'll connect it to a language model using LLM chain. Then we'll run the chain with a specific topic. And finally, we'll see how the chain returns a creative, usable blog title. So the following implementation is going to demonstrate how LLM chain provides a structured, repeatable, and simple workflow for generating AI outputs. So without any delay, let's go into the code. So I'm going to create a new file here. I'm going to name it LLMchains.py. As always, we'll first use our model, import chat Google generative AI from .env, import load.env from LangChain underscore core dot prompts. I'm going to import a prompt template, and the new concept today is from LangChain dot chains import LLM chain. Okay, so first of all, load the credentials. We'll load a model, Gemini 2.5 Flash. Then we'll create a prompt, which will be used using prompt template. I'm going to write a template for this one. So suggest a catchy blog title about a topic, and my input variable is going to be a topic. Okay. Now I will define a chain, which is going to be an LLM chain, and I'm going to pass a model to this and then a prompt to this. Okay, and then based on this, let me write a topic name. Let's say 3i Atlas interstellar object. I'm going to invoke this chain. So response equals to chain dot invoke. I need to provide a topic here. So topic is going to be my topic variable, and then basically I'm going to print the response to this. So everything is done. Let me clear this. I'm not sure about this LLM chain. It might be deprecated or something. Let's see. Okay, so this is deprecated with the method, okay, runnable sequence. So we've already done runnable sequence earlier, but it's okay. We're doing something that has already been deprecated, but still we get our answer here. The topic is 3i Atlas interstellar object. Here are some catchy blog titles. Since we have not structured or directed our response to be something specific, that's why the model is generating this long text here as a catchy block title, which we don't in fact want, but like it is what the model is providing me. So here's what I can do. You can use some form of response schema or maybe a pydantic class to direct the model to provide just a catchy block title, just a combination of 3 to 4 words uh, block title for this particular topic. So I'm going to end this video for now. If you have any problem or any queries, do comment down below and I'll try to help you out, and I'll see you in the next video.